it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. If you are familiar with Pantone's color of the year, I am actually going to be doing a video featuring all of the colors that I have that match the color of the year. This is kind of a video with some of the ladies from the YouTubers Nail Art's weekly stamping collabs. So we're not going to actually be doing stamping in this collab, but we are going to share all of our different polishes. This was kind of an idea from, well, it was an idea from Pattie Mail. I think she saw some other people doing it, so she thought, why not have us do it all together as well. So we're going to be doing the color Ultraviolet, because that is the color of 2018. So I'm going to share with you all of the different nail polishes that I own that are purple. Well, this is only some of them because I actually have quite a few that could probably come into this, but I wanted to kind of narrow down the list. So I will leave all of the links down below to everybody's videos, so be sure to check out all of their picks for this particular collab. I want to see what everyone has, and I'm probably going to end up finding polishes that I want. Anyway, so check them out, and then also I'm going to have a hashtag across the bottom here that we're gonna, that's where you can follow us and see all the different pictures from all the ladies. And I think a lot of people are actually doing this, so you can see it. I think Claire Gray actually started the hashtag, so check all of them out. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So I did some swatch sticks for some polishes and then some I didn't. So first I'm going to start with two actually stamping polishes. So I have this one from the Born Pretty store. So it is a nice kind of bluey purple. And then I have this one as well that I thought was close to the color. Next I have one of the Sinful Colors Hypnotic Transferring Top Coats, and this one is called Rebel Rebel. I didn't do this one because it will transform if I kind of change it, so I thought I'd show you that one. I still need to do a video on these, by the way. Then I have another one from that collection as well, and this one is called Punk the Town. A little bit more on the pinky kind of magenta side, but it's still purple when you see it up close. Next, one of my favorite China glaze polishes, but it kind of spilled all over the place and still need to find a replacement. This is I Got Blue Attitude. I didn't do a swatch stick because I don't really have a ton of it left. Then I have a mini China glaze polish. This is from the My Little Pony collection, and this is I Canterlot. I thought it was a really cute glittery polish. Moving on with more China glaze polishes, I have this one here, and this one is called Purple, and I do have a swatch stick for that, so that is 2 coats of Purple. And another China glaze one, and this one is Creative Fantasy, and then that is the swatch stick for that one. So similar to the last one, but a little bit different. Next we have a Sinful Colors one, and this one is called Let's Talk. I really like this polish and I always forget about it, but I think it's probably because it stains your nails, so you have to be careful and use a base coat for this one for sure. But that is 2 coats of that, and just it looks gorgeous. Now I have a Pure Ice polish. I think this is one of their Halloween ones. It is a limited edition one. This is I Want You to Haunt Me. And then that is 2 coats of that. I haven't used this one enough either, but it looks really nice. And that's 2 coats. Another Pure Ice polish. This is one of their shines with gel tech in them. And this one is called Royal, or Really Royal. And that's 2 coats of that one. Not a nail polish, but I thought I would include it. I have this Moira glitter here. I think it's number 17. But it is gorgeous. Like, I'll open it up. I also haven't used this enough either. Really, really pretty powder. I really should do more nail designs with it. Next, I have a Madame Glam Soak Off Cracked Marble Gel Polish. So this is a gel polish you use with the LED lights. This is called Comfort Handcuffs. And it actually is a crackle polish, but I thought it is really cool and is actually the color. So that is my one gel polish that I'm including in this. Next, I have a Zoya polish. This is the Zoya Pixie Dust, and this one is called Carter. I absolutely love this polish too. Really, really pretty. And that is one coat of that. So really nice polish. Next, I have a finger paints polish, and this one is called Use Blues. It's a little bit more on the bluey purple side, but I thought I would include it anyways. That is 2 coats of it, so it is a little bit on the thinner side, but 3 coats I think would be really good. Next, I have one of the Crayola Insta-Dry Sally Hansen polishes, and this one is called Purple Heart. And I think I did one coat of that one. This one is pretty opaque. Our last polish is a Ciot Mini London polish. I got this in my Mini Many Month Advent calendar I did a little while ago. This one is called What the Shell. And then that is 1 coat of that. Also pretty opaque. So yeah, that is all of the different nail polish colors that I thought were appropriate for this Pantone color of the year. So I hope you liked this video, and be sure to check out everybody else's polish picks. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.